Hi, hello, weebs. Welcome back to Teardown. Last time we tried to kill Mecha Godzilla with the Kamehameha, and we found out that worked. Now it's the hook shotgun, and I think that will work as well. But let us try. Let's summon Godzilla. Alright, let's go. Oh no! I'm gonna aim for his face. Aim for face. It's not working. Oh, it worked. Okay, that was kind of easy. Okay, that was a bit too easy. I'm gonna try and break his legs. I'm gonna shoot his legs. Okay, come back. Come back. Where are you going? What a massacre and everything. And you like Teardown. You do like Teardown. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, why won't you die? Why here goes? It's over. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, guys, I think I can safely say that the hook shotgun can kill Godzilla. I just blew him up. That was mad. Anyway, guys, we'll leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.